It's from on the team.
Yeah.
His hair.
He's in the middle.
Yeah, you can see his hair's like.
These football kids are in the way though, and it's kind of bothering me that you can't really see the play for the kids.
White helmet, red helmet.
You know, it's kind of bothering me too.
What a kick. He's going out.
Oh, you are way too into this for somebody who didn't want to go to this.
What food?
Mm-hmm. I'm okay.
6-0.
Wait, is that Gary?
It's Gary.
Oh, that is Gary.
Is it ref?
Mm-hmm.
What about him?
Nothing. Sometimes he calls really shitty plays.
Start their drive.
Really shitty thing.
28-yard line.
Funny story, he did the, what is it called? The old man baseball softball thing or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And the first time I did it, like with the knee brace and shit, they took me out because I was too young because apparently it was switched to 18. And then like he made me stop for that year. And then
Coming this way.
anyway, I would talk shit on my dad back there. And so Gary loved that from me. But
I gotta send a message.
Second down,
okay.
4 yards to go. Ball on the
And then are we going
5-yard
to
line.
your mom's after this? Also, funny story, did you know in ASL you can differentiate between a stepmom and a bio mom? But you have to spell out bio and then you have to like just step.
First down. Nope.
Close though, I would say.
Panthers number 10 with a 2-yard gain.
You want to see it?
3rd and 2 to go.
I mean, you can see it, but I don't know if we're high enough for it, but it's fine. Okay, Gary, go for it. Don't know what's going on.
I think he's talking to him.
Probably. But no, you want to see the difference? I shall. Okay, so for bio mom, you literally have to spell it out. So B-I-O. And then this is mom. Nope, finger spread. This is mom. This is dad. And then for stepmom, you go step. This is also like next or whatever, but step.
Panthers number 9 with their first down.
And then you have the typical bitch. Like that's why I said don't put your fingers together because bitch is this. And then bastards from your forehead.
So you're gonna call me a bastard? What the fuck?
Yes. Every time you piss me off, I call you bastard.
Let's go,
And
Jack.
sign.
Jackson.
And then shit. Shit. Bullshit. No, just the 2 fingers. And then there's no equivalent for cunt though. So. Oh, get it.
I miss little kid football. What the hell's going on? Oh.
Don't ask.
It's like one part's coming out. Look.
Yeah, no. I know.
First down, Panthers.
Any other things that you want me to teach you that I may or may not know, depending on what you ask?
Step, bro.
I mean, it would just be step and then brother. Yeah, brother. And then sister is from.
He's gone.
Oh, that kid got it.
He's gone.
You can hear my
Touchdown,
chest. There you go.
Panthers number 10.
Big loss, little loss.
gonna just leave it over there now.
I miss spring football. I should have played for high school.
That would have been a lot, you know.
It's fine. I've done it before.
Fair, I guess, but anything else? Why did you want to know how to say step, bro?
Well, I know. Because I have a stepbrother.
Okay. Just curious.
Why? What you think I want to learn?
Fuck, I know. And then, like, grandparents is like, so like.
Oh wait, I have a stepsister. My bad.
And anyway, this is grandfather, grandmother,
And there's
cousin,
no good.
uncle.
Stop
Wanker.
No, cousin,
Wanker.
cousin.
Wanka.
No, by cousin,
Wanka.
uncle, aunt.
Yeah, no, this is Wanka.
No, by your cheek.
Wanka.
No, but you go.
Wanka.
This, no, we're
You even
not.
know what a wanka is?
We're not going by that. We're going by sign language. Stupid.
Yeah, you know, British sign language. Wanka.
Well, we're an American sign language here.
Wanka. You bitch.
No, never. Why did I insult you like that?
I don't know, you do seem to do it a lot.
And then if you go four-way, this is like speak. And then water.
Okay, hold up. Speak?
Speak. And then this is grandmother.
Wait, which one's this? What's bitch?
Mother.
What's bitch?
Grandmother.
Oh, wait, hold up. Speak. Speak, bitch.
Yes, that's how that is, yes. And then
Go number 12. Okay, that's not the name of Chicago. Wait, didn't Sarah's brother play for this team?
he did. What else can I teach? Don't touch, don't touch, don't touch, no touch, no touch.
Walk in with the Cowboys. Hold it.
And then siblings are like.
Turn up, go.
Why?
Because sometimes it's just funny. That's how they fumble. Wait, and then you have to go here and then here to say sibling.
by number 13, Holt Bryant for the Rhinos. First
They did
down.
my ankle healed. There's someone in this week, like, and they coach, they taught them, like, the way you, when you go in for a tackle, try to hurt them, like, roll their ankles. Like, you grab them, and then they twist. It sucks. Damn.
Oh my gosh, why did it get so hot?
Of all the people who
Panthers stop him for a loss of 4.
We saw that number 29 on the ball.
Which one?
The big one on the
Our side?
Yeah.
Terrible idea.
Why not? Why? You let him run the ball, he'll just keep it. Who's going to take him down?
He's one of the other kids that are big as him on the other team. Oh, he should have got it.
They're down. 3rd and 12.
No, it's 3rd and then 12. I think, no. Yeah, 12. 16, 17, 18, 19. Don't remember anything else.
Yeah. I might become an initial certified to be a footballer.
No, scary.
How's that scary?
Just because it is.
I'm already certified to ref soccer,
Scary.
but I can't ref now.
Scary.
Fourth and 10.
My dad.
10. What about
Just look at the way he is up in
it?
there.
He moves like a
The Rhinos
He is.
gain of 4 yards.
And then the dude in the bucket hat next to him, I think is Bobby. With the American hat. Bucket hat.
super Bobby what Cooper?
Super duper Bobby Cooper.
Yeah, that's
Serious?
stepdad, right?
Was.
Touchdown. He's super good.
Touchdown Rivals, number 41, Michael Barrett.
But no, him and Jess had Andrew. And then, yeah. Now he has his new wife Amanda, and they have a baby. So her name is Avery, and she's absolutely adorable.
Which one's Bobby? The skinnier one? Or the bearded one?
The tall one with no beard.
The one that was just moving around like that?
The one that's literally on the very, very edge.
Yeah. Okay, I was about to say, yeah, I know he's the only one that looks like he could box.
He can't.
Yeah, I mean, he was a professional at it, so.
I know.
And the extra point is good. Number 43, Zach Geyer.
I'm the man. Look at that.
Oh, it's 13.
My brother's favorite thing is to tell me, look at all the pictures of his friends. And his friends do whatever this shit is. And so he's starting a collection of his friends doing that. His best friend is actually this kid right here. His name is Austin Frisbee. You met him. Sorry about the recording if anybody can hear, because I can't remember if this has sound or not. It probably does. We might have to tell them to mute it.
Let's go, D. Taking it from the spot.
Damn, now I'm about to watch football.
No! It's in front of you. You're right. Really?
Panthers take possession on the 33-yard line.
There's going to be no handoffs again?
I don't know.
I want to see a pass.
That one. It's only worked like once that I've seen.
A pass? Also.
Now you're good, kid. Stay still. Hey, watch the ball. Jimmy, watch the ball, baby.
I just think of my dad calls everybody babe.
False start on the offense.
Also, I'm curious to how many black and white, or not black and white, black and orange schools there are.
Probably a lot. Oak Grove's one of those.
I know Oak Grove, here, this one.
Hughesville, yeah.
I know there's one in Nebraska.
There's another school we ran against that was orange and black. I forgot what one.
And they were like the Pirates.
Number 47, Zach Geyer with a
There's a
tackle.
school in Nebraska called Lexington, and they're black and orange.
I just killed a spider.
Okay.
Panthers in third and 17 yards.
I just ripped out a piece of your hair anyway. You should fix it. Let me see.
No.
Why not? Can I see it in the car?
Yeah. The hat actually tends to make it better than what it actually looks like, but.
I like it with you got that hat. No hat.
Oh,
Oh, come on, defense.
I think I missed that. I can't tell though. I'm so sorry for the recording and video purposes. I never said I could be good. Where the heck is Hunter is my question.
And that is the quarter.
I was like, what the heck?